Are we all set to go, Brett?
Couple things left to do.
Okay.
Here we are, that time of year again. Got to do a little bit of maintenance before our trip. Currently the bearings have, I think, 4,600 miles on them. They're probably okay, but we're doing a 3-week trip and I want to make sure. I will be checking the brakes as well, and as I'm going to be under there anyways, I will be greasing the suspension, all the grease nipples on the leaf springs and anything attached to suspension. So here we go. It's gonna be a fun afternoon. Just me and the dogs are here. Miriam's at work, so sun's shining. Let's get her done. Okay, well, here we are under the trailer again. Yesterday when I took all the tires off and all the wheels off to check the brakes and all the bearings, everything was fine. I did go underneath and greased all the Zerk fittings in the suspension. And there was 3 of the Zerk fittings that would not take grease. And I'm under here today just to pull those Zerk fittings out, put new ones in, and grease them to make sure the suspension is fine all the way around. So here we go. So as you can see, I'll turn the light on here, and right here there's a little cap, a little plastic cap that I keep on the Zerk fittings just to keep all the road grime and any contaminants out. So very easy switch, just to change this here. It's just a M6 Zerk fitting, and it's a 5/16 wrench. Just tighten that in there. And I've got the new cap on, so once I put some grease in there, everything will work fine. And then put the cap on to protect it from the elements. And Wrigley's barking at her neighbor. So as you can see, it took a little bit of grease and then left a little bit left over there. So I will cap that off, make sure everything is fine. And then I've got one more to do and everything will be okay. We had a bit of an issue here. There are 3 reasons why the Zerk fitting will not take grease. One, the Zerk fitting is clogged, which that is not that is not the case here. Second would be is if the bearing or the sleeve going through the shaft of the pin is aligned incorrectly, so it's not pointing down or pointing to the side, it's pointing directly up. That way it will not take the grease because there's nowhere for the grease to go into the wet bolt. And the third reason,
now we're all set to go.
absolutely.
All right, we're gonna get on the road and we will see you in Oregon. It will be our first stop for overnight. Don't forget to subscribe
Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see.
and ring that bell for notifications.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye for now.
Hi, Miriam. Love you.